Welcome to Bible 3.3 introduction video. I'm showing quickly on this video the new features that are coming in Bible 3.3. Each new video will be explained more on separate videos. New version introduces improved window button bar, this one, with a lot of useful information. There is also new logic for window pinning, which improves the experience when studying the Bible with multiple documents and commentaries, as what I am usually doing, like this. Pinned windows are here and unpinned windows are here. Pinned windows I can open many like this, but unpinned windows change like this. And window button bar can be hidden quickly like this. The new version also allows user to manipulate many of the text display settings on workspace and window level. So workspace gives defaults for all windows. For example, if we want to change some font size, for example, we can set the default from here and it changes to everything. And as we see, this is the different color, so we can change the colors for each window separately. But this will be explained on a separate video. So let's reset this setting again, like this. Workspace Selector has been improved. So first of all, you can access Workspace Selector from option menu, but also by swiping down from here, as I'm doing here. In Workspace Selector, you can now reorder easily the workspaces that you have, and you can also edit various settings and perform various tasks from option menu of each of these items. And you can create new workspace with empty, workspace with new. You can cancel all the things that you have been doing in this activity by dismiss and save. You will go to the current workspace, but clicking workspace gives you to the other workspace like this. Apply changes, we have been reordering, etc. So we will press yes. Download documents. Let's go there. Download documents has also got various improvements. So from now there are recommended documents. As you see, they are displayed by star here. We can display all different book types. Like you can see, I have now all types displayed. I can select, of course, per document type, but like all displayed also possible. And then we can see that icon displays what type of document we have: commentaries, Bibles, dictionaries, etc. But we can also always go and filter by document type so that we have only Bibles here displayed. More importantly, we have now a language selector, which is writable, so we can easily write, for example, Finnish or whatever language. And also, this is quite nice feature that we have now free text search here for the documents. So for example, we can find easily Finnish Pyhä Raamattu. So I think these are the main new features. As I said, I will introduce each of these features on separate video, or at least those major features, and I am recommending that you will take a look at those as well. Bye bye.